So what's going on, everyone? Today we want to talk about super microcomputer SMCI stock. Is this a buy or sell right now? We had a stock split right here on October the 1st, 10 for 1 split. Market now is trading around $48 when it's around $1,100 a couple of weeks ago. Is this still a buy or a sell? You let me know. Drop me a comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this market. Welcome everyone to the channel. Hit the like button, and also subscribe for more of my content that I am producing that you're not going to get anywhere else. We're going to lay out off this chart on which team is going to win. There's only two teams, the buyers and the sellers. So we're going to mark this chart to show you where we think more selling is going to occur and where we think more buying will occur. Okay, so let's do that first. So off the bat, we can see that this potential area right here is a sell zone. We're just going to mark that right now. Why would I say that this is a sell zone? Because the sellers had a stronghold there. Like the buyers were bouncing and trying to break the roof off the house and they couldn't do it. Only reason why they couldn't do it is because the sellers was impacting that buying. And then in SMI, the market just completely crashed. So this is a very strong area of selling. Okay. Here's another one. Another strong area. Well, I want to say that this is a strong area because following this trading day, the market in SMCI fell 7%. The buyers retreated. They ran. They got scared from around $72, which would have been a little bit higher before the split. But needless to say, this is the area that they were scared. So they jetted and they ran away. Here it's a bigger sell zone. Okay, so we're just marking the territory. We're marking the field. So as price hit these areas, we can say, all right, we need to see certain actions occur. And here is another action of buying in the market for SMCI. This is a buy zone now. Okay, so we might see this a little bit cleaner on the 330-minute chart. So we'll make this the buy zone. Okay, so that's one. And let's see if we can go over here a little bit to the beginning of the year. Just in case, you know, the buyers don't hold that first zone. We can create this one. And we'll create this one. There may be one right there too. All right, so now let's break this down on the two, okay? Because even right now, we can notice, hold up, something is not allowing these buyers to move up. Because on this 2-day chart, look at how many times this market has gotten rejected around $50.50. It's not like the buyers are not attempting to go up. They are. But like I told you earlier, something is impacting that move though. Someone, somewhere, some hedge fund, some individual is hitting those buyers at that $50.50 price. Because every time the market tags it, what's the reaction? It goes down. So what this is revealing to us on a 2-day chart is telling us that these buyers are trying to chip away at this seller or sellers. That's what they're trying to do now. Here it is on the 3. Okay. Now, it could go either way then, because even on the 3, there's still sellers here. They're still there. The longer that we see sellers here, the less likely market's going to go up. I'm just going to keep it a buck. I'm just going to keep it real. What about on the 4? You can even see here on the 4. What about on the 5? You can even see here on the 5. Here it is on the weekly chart. Okay. I don't want people to become complicit and think that this stock is bullish when it's not that bullish. We still have these massive weakness and sell bars that's being triggered. So yeah, we might see SMCI break this first initial sell zone, run to 62, boom. Then that's when the sellers will initiate. Right there. So again, this stock is in a downtrend. It is not overly bullish, but it may maintain some ability to go up because of these buyers right here. Somebody is really buying this stock at this price right around here. Somebody is. It may be Kathy Wood. It might be Warren Buffett. I don't know, but somebody has a guap of money that they're not allowing this market and SMCI to continue to go lower. This is the only thing that's keeping this market up. So you can say thank you if you're a buyer of the people who has been supporting this stock around $38 to $40 because they're not letting it go. That's a pretty strong area for buyers. Okay, so we have 8 hours and 30 minutes. So given that alone, before this 3-week price bar prints, given that alone, I have to say that the buyers have a small window to lift this market up. Okay, because I don't want us to forget the history that we know sellers are currently hitting this stock. Like sellers overall have the edge right now, but buyers have a small opportunity to at least try to lift this market up. And when I say lift the market up, I'm not talking about that far. I'm not saying it's gonna run back all the way up, run all the way back up to $80, $90. I don't see that on the chart. Okay. And as a matter of fact, looking at this on the 330-minute chart, that's even weakness here. So the market may not even break this sell zone. So you can see by our signals that the buyers has tried. Like they've been trying to lift the market. I give them credit, but they haven't done a great job. I give them credit though. But somebody is definitely hitting this stock. Look at this 1 hour bar right there. And then look at the volume that came in off of that 1 hour bar. Yeah, I'm not a fan of looking for SMCI to go higher just yet. I'm just not a fan yet, y'all. I'm sorry. Just not a fan yet. It hasn't convinced me enough that this market is ready to continue to go up. So what I'm going to do, okay, is we're going to anticipate some lower prices in SMCI. Okay. And these are our targets. First target is this first buy zone here. It can be at the top or the bottom. Okay, it's around 16% at the top, 21.5 at the bottom. Then our second target is going to be at the second sell zone. Buy zone, which is around 28%. So let's see what happens. Okay, their merit may also be a buy zone right here. So let me just show you this. So you won't say, hey, you said it's going to go down to this buy zone. There's a small opportunity, depending if the buyers are really determined that they will hold that buy zone right there. So I'll be on the lookout for that too. So that's it. I'm done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you hit the like, share, subscribe. Make sure you maintain profit and trade different.